Interestingly, Magic Bricks Now's reporters found that most politicians are commending the BMC for a halfway decent job. In fact, they believe that the residents of Mumbai have a big role to play in ensuring the city doesn't flood year after year. Our correspondent Amita Balachandra caught up with BJP spokesperson Shaina NC at Mumbai Central's Nair Hospital, and she began by asking whether she thinks South Bombay is prepared for the monsoon. Take a look.
I think if you take this particular area, we are outside Nair Hospital right now. The problem that happens is we have very, very old drains, and the stormwater drains which go back to the British time. You've seen a lot of water clogging in low-lying areas. Despite that, the BMC has done a fantastic job, I think, and I hope that synergy of all services, whether it's the drainage, whether it's improvising the roads and the potholes, which the BMC has also been working on, we will be in a position to year by year get into a shape where Mumbai is in much better situation to combat the rains.
Okay, also talking about BMC's self-set deadline now, it's been pushed to the 25th of June. This is the fourth time this is happening. Do you think we will be prepared by then, or will we have to wait for the monsoons to get over for all the work to finish?
See, I always tell people the easiest thing to do is to criticize BMC and say that look at the water clogging, look at the potholes. We don't realize that the amount of agencies that have to work in collusion to even repair a single road. To repair a certain patch, you need 39 permissions. Now, we have to understand that in a city like Mumbai, which goes back in time to the British era, where the cables were all under wire, the drains are all under, we have to have that patience to say, yes, they will do their job, we will push them that much further. But I don't think deadlines is the way forth.
But talking about faulty contractors now, do you think we would have been better prepared if the scam hadn't happened, considering, because on Magic Bricks Now, we've also done a ground report of all the areas in Mumbai. And there have been a lot of problem areas. There have been a lot of areas where there are bad roads, potholes, etc., etc.
I think faulty contractors must be exposed and exposed to the fullest. I applaud Magic Bricks Now for bringing this up, but I also applaud the BMC and the Honorable Chief Minister for taking a proactive stand and saying we will not succumb to any kind of pressure, and where there has been a shoddy job, the person will be booted out.
So tell me then, what is the state government doing to push BMC to meet its deadline?
Well, I think the public pressure is also a checks and balances, but the BMC's deadline will be adhered to. We have a very dynamic municipal commissioner in Mr. Ajoy Mehta, but we have an even more proactive Chief Minister in Devendra Fadnavis. And the two things that we will not compromise, one is on corruption and second is on a shoddy job.
Also, do you think some sort of onus lies on residents of Mumbai, considering there's a lot of littering also happening?
I was just going to say, see, Mumbaikars have this, not Mumbaikars, all Indians have this great quality of keeping their homes spick and span, but they don't really care about the environment. The least we can expect from participation of public is waste management, where dry garbage is segregated, usable from reusable. And I'd like to applaud some organizations, City Space, Agni. There are so many others that are also working, ALMs in the individual areas that are taking this on. But I hope that it can be mapped pan Mumbai, so we are able to do our little bit in contributing.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magic Bricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.